Samsung is betting everything on a chip no one believes in. TSMC rules the world of semiconductors. But what if that changes? What if Samsung wins the 2nm war? The journey? Painful, messy, but maybe revolutionary. TSMC is untouchable right now. They own the future, and they're launching 2nm chips this year. Samsung? They're late, behind on yields, behind on trust. But something's changing, quietly and fast. Samsung stopped chasing 1.4 nanometers. Why? Because they had a bigger plan. Fix 2 nanometers, make it work, then improve it again and again. It's called selection and concentration, and it's their survival strategy. Right now, Samsung's 2nm yields still behind TSMC by 20 to 30%. But guess what? They're better than Samsung's own expectations. And in this industry, better than expected means everything. Mass production coming in late 2025. Pyeongtaek factories already gearing up. Second-gen 2nm chips designed. Third-gen 2nm already in development, called SF2P+. Samsung is going all in. This isn't about small numbers. It's about power, heat, and efficiency. 2nm chips could run AI faster, make phones cooler, extend battery life. And the demand expected to last 4 years. That's a gold rush, and Samsung wants in. But here's the problem. Nobody trusts Samsung's Foundry right now. They've lost clients. They've had failures. They're not TSMC. So how do you win customers back? Easy. Discounts, reliability, results. Over and over again. This is Samsung's comeback arc, and it's not guaranteed. But if they pull this off, they could become the biggest threat TSMC has ever faced. The 2nm race is on, and the ending hasn't been written yet. Think Samsung can pull this off, or is TSMC just too far ahead? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we're not done with this chip war yet.